Hello everybody and welcome to Doing Stuff and Things Season of Utah. Now one of my favorite things to do here on the mainland is take road trips, and that's what we're going to do on this adventure. We're going to take a trip all the way out to the Spiral Jetty. Now unlike my other road trips, I'm not going to break up the side trips into separate episodes. We're putting this all into one. This is a great day trip that you can do out of Salt Lake City and see four pretty neat things. Our first stop along the way is going to be a rocket garden. This is one of the places where NASA develops its rockets to both go into space as well as use for the military. It's totally free to walk around and check out, and it's right along the way to the Spiral Jetty. Check this out. Now, not far down the road from the rocket garden is another neat thing to stop and see. This is the Chinese Arch. The Chinese Arch was dedicated to the Chinese workers that helped build the railroad way back in the day. I mean the original railroad. And there is still some original grade from that very first railroad in the area. And as well as the Chinese Arch, there's some neat caves to see. So let's stop and see this. You can't smell it, but I can, and I'm going to tell you right now, a skunk lives here. My guess is that skunk lives in there, because this cave smells like skunk. This has been used a lot. It's a great little camp, except for, of course, the skunk. So let's get out of here before we get sprayed. All right, moving on now, we're gonna go to our next stop on our way to the Spiral Jetty, and this is right alongside the road, so you might as well stop and see it. This is Golden Spike National Monument. This is where the East and the West Coast Railroad connected, finally making one solid railroad across the country. And there's some original railroad tracks still in the ground from the very first one they built, and two replica steam engine locomotives that you can see and walk around and check out because they're pretty neat. So check this out, Golden Spike National Monument. Now we're on to our primary destination, which is going to involve taking a long dirt road, like an hour, bumpy washboard dirt road, all the way to the Great Salt Lake to finally see the Spiral Jetty. Let's check this out. In the center of the jetty. Now this could be a very ancient and sacred abduction site for aliens. And perhaps I am standing in the center of a vortex, waiting to be beamed up. Or perhaps this is the work of an old hippie in the 60s that stacked all these rocks into this spiral onto this. It's not a seabed, it's the Great Salt Lake. Anyhow, he built this, and here we are. Yeah, so this is the Spiral Jetty. See you next time.